Hello everyone. Worksheet 2, question 2. Question is, without actual division, determine the following rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating decimal representation. Without doing the division. So for this, we will see the denominator. If the prime factors of the denominator will be 2 or 5 or both, 2 or 5 or both, then it will be terminating representation. But remember, to find out the prime factors of denominator, first thing you will observe whether it is in standard form or not. So if it is not in standard form, then you will convert it in standard form and then you will proceed. So here 4. So if you will see, the prime factors of 4 is 2 times. So what do you observe here? That this is terminating decimal expression. Terminating decimal. So remember that the denominator you have to see. But before that, make sure that it should be in standard form. Here the denominator is 80. So try to find out its factors. So it would be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2 multiply 5. So what do you observe? Here the prime factors are either 2 or 5. So tell me whether it is terminating or non-terminating. It is terminating because as I have told it that it should be either 2 or 5 or both of them. In third part, the denominator is 11 and it is also in the standard form. So 11. So what do you observe? Here the prime factor either 11 or 1. So it is not 2 or 5. So it means that it is non-terminating decimal expression. Non-terminating decimal expression. Okay. So always while doing the question to find out terminating or non-terminating without actual division, you will see the denominator. Here the denominator is 7. So the prime factors would be 7 into 1. So the prime factor is other than 2 and 5. So it would be non-terminating decimal expression. Non-terminating decimal expression. So remember, either 2 or 5 or both. Next part. In fifth part, the denominator is 250. So let's see the prime factors. 5, 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So observe here, it is either prime factor as 2 or 5 3 times. So therefore, it is terminating decimal expression. Terminating decimal expression. Sixth part. In sixth part, the denominator is 21. So it will be 7 into 3. So terminating or non-terminating? Other than 2 and 5. So it is non-terminating decimal expression. Non-terminating decimal expression. Look at the seventh part. In seventh part, this is not in the standard form. So what we will do? We will convert it in standard form first and then we will proceed for the question. So say it weighs 7 upon 2. Now observe the denominator. The denominator is 2. So tell me 2. So 2 into 1, whether it is terminating or non-terminating? It is terminating decimal expression. since the denominator is prime factor of 2. Look at the eighth part. Again, in eighth part, this is not in the standard form. So first we will convert it in standard form. So it goes with 3 and the denominator is 15. Now again it is going with 3. So what will you get it? 14 upon 5. 14 upon 5. Now we will observe for the denominator. Here the denominator is 5. So tell me whether it is terminating or non-terminating. Since it is 5, so it is terminating. तो आपने क्या सीखा? If the denominator is prime factors of the denominator is either 2 multiples or 5 multiples or both of them, then they are terminating decimal expression, or it can be converted into decimal expression, terminating decimal expression. Otherwise, they are non-terminating decimal expression. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.